Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to add the Plogmas effect to your CapCut clips. Initially, what you're going to want to do is go to Media, click on the clip you want to add the effect to, drag it down to the timeline. Once you have it in the timeline, we're going to go up to the left corner of CapCut, click on Effects, click on Trending, and then go down to Plogmas. Click it, drag it down to the timeline, and we can elongate it by grabbing it by each end. And now once the effect is selected, we can go to the top right corner and change the filters. So we can increase the color, we can increase the filters, the strength, the size, and the speed. So let's check it out. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.